What's up, guys? Welcome back. Taking a quick pit stop because it's freaking hot. Well, about 93, 94 maybe. And brought my Axum today. I was actually gonna bring my e-bike because something's been going on with my leg the past almost a week. First, I have the kind of like the sciatica pain all the way down from my back, all the way down to my leg, to my foot right there. And that kind of went away. It started kind of like on Thursday last week, and I went away on Sunday. But then I kind of feel like my thighs, my quads, my knee, and my calves kind of like numb. Kind of like when you go to the bathroom and you stare at your phone for a long time, then you get up and kind of walk kind of funny. That's kind of like I've been feeling. So I want to bring the e-bike today just to have an easy ride today, but I ended up bringing my Axum today, and this is the reason why. So first of all, El Capitan finally went tubeless and put sealant on that tire, and he's been holding up for about 5 days. Haven't lost any pressure or anything like that. And today I actually use mock-off rim tape. It's been working flawlessly. I leave affiliates, all that, and I'm rolling my Hillbillies first ride on them, and super grippy. I'm not gonna go in details on any of this right now. On the back, I also did rim tape, but it was losing air, like I showed you in the short a few videos back. But today, took the tire apart again, cleaned up the valve hole. The tape inside is actually has the mock-off as well, so I cleaned up the rimmed it out, put the valve back in there as again, and pressed the tape all the way around. Then put air on it. It was leaking less, a little bit on a few nipples and along the side of the bead. But then I went ahead, you know what, I said, you know what, F it, let me put in some sealant in there. And it bubbled up way less, and it's been about a couple of hours now, and it seems to be holding pressure. So hopefully that mock-off sealant is doing its job, and I won't have any issues. I know that one is good to go, but this one hopefully goes as well as that one. And as you can see, I got a few upgrades in this one. I don't know if the video came out or not, but been doing some things to this one. But I wanted to show you this bike because this might be the last time that you see the bike like this. It's gonna change. It's gonna change drastically here pretty soon. So this is probably gonna be the last ride as is. And yeah. So some of you might already know what's gonna happen to this. Some of you might have no idea, but if you've been following my channel, you've seen that I did something to the otter as a test, as a guinea pig, and I'm gonna be doing something to this one. I'm gonna take everything apart, clean it up real well, and do something with this one. Paint scheme is gonna be different, and I guess I just gave it out, and yeah, I'm gonna paint it. F it, I'm gonna paint it. Now, don't get me wrong, I might miss that blue color. I might miss it, but let's see what we can do, because this thing it has some pretty good scratches in there, and if I already picked out the colors and everything for it, and I'm ready to do it. And this time I got the 2K clear coat, and I'm gonna be using that instead of the Rust-Oleum clear coat. And I'll probably do the same thing with the otter, because I haven't ridden the otter since only once since I painted it. It got scratched up a little bit with the Rust-Oleum clear coat. Maybe it was a day after I painted it, so maybe that's why. But I might also put in a 2K clear coat on the otter as well. But this one I already picked out the colors. Leave me comments below to see if you're gonna, what do you think, what colors you think I'm gonna do with this one. Is it 1 color, 2 colors, 3 colors, 4 colors? I don't know, we'll see. But I think it's gonna turn out really good. I mean, I'm already picturing it in my head, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna turn out amazing. But like I said, I love this blue color. I love this blue color. But again, I have two black bikes. This is also, it's not black of course, but it's dark. It's not gonna be as dark and it's more anymore, but it'll be different. It'll be good, hopefully. And at the end of the day, if I don't like it, if I get tired, I can probably just paint match this color and paint it again, powder coat it or something like that, but we'll see. But for now, I just wanted to give you a quick update of what's going on this one. Once I finished up with the paint and put everything back in there, still gotta do a couple of changes that I have not done it, and after that it'll be a complete build. And I hope you guys like it. So far, I will leave, if you like any of these products, like the grips and the pedals and anything that I have in here, you know, you can always find them on the affiliate links in the description below, or you can go to the Amazon web store. And yeah, can't wait to get this thing done. And I hope that rear tire holds air and it'll be 3 successful. If that one holds air, I already have 2 successful tubeless. One is on my Polygon. The other one is the front one, and this one seems to be doing well, so hopefully it stays like that. Other than that, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you find it entertaining, just share it, subscribe, turn the notifications bell on, and as usual, if you want to support the channel, check all the links in the description below. And other than that, that is gonna be it for today, and I guess I'll see you right here or somewhere similar on the trails. Let's ride. Goodbye. Let's stare at this thing for a minute, because it might be the last time that we see it like it is right now.